Jay Town joins me now. Jay, tell me what you thought the significance of today was.
Well, you know, Mr. Fix-It is not fixing the troubles with D.A. Bragg's case at all. You're lying in your lead-in that he's actually punched a hole so big in the case that even Bragg himself could fit through it. I'm going to steal that line, by the way. But you were dead on, Jesse. Yeah, even if you were to believe, and you would have to, you know, suspend, you know, credulity in order to believe every single word that Michael Cohen has said, you still don't have proof beyond a reasonable doubt of any element of any charged offense against Donald Trump. Where's the false records entry? He can't testify about that at all. There's all this mention about Weisselberg, the CFO for the Trump organization, who's not a witness in this case, who won't testify, who can't corrupt. Therefore, none of Cohen's testimony will be corroborated. And so what we're really seeing here is a buildup to, I think, Todd Blanche's cross-examination tomorrow, and Todd is going to have a great night's sleep tonight because he knows that tomorrow and for a couple of days, the woodshedding that he is going to provide on national television to Michael Cohen is going to make him sort of the hero of defense counsel across the country.
What does that look like to you, Jay, when he gets his hands wrapped around Cohen?
Well, you know, Todd's going to, I mean, he has to go hard. You know, there's been prognosticators saying he should take it easy. He doesn't want to go too hard on this witness. Why? This is the state's entire case is the fulcrum of the case is Michael Cohen. And so all of his previous lies, all of the times that he has signed written declarations that Trump didn't have anything to do with the Stormy Daniels situation. You pointed out, I think, a fact that doesn't get enough airtime, again, in your lead-in that, you know, he took out a line of credit on his own home so that he could pay the $130,000. Now, that is not a man who is part of a conspiracy with a billionaire and then a billion-dollar company in David Pecker and AMI and the National Enquirer to kill stories for money to unlawfully impact an election. That's a man acting on his own. That's why he doesn't tell his wife. 130 grand to the Trump organization, if they were going to pay it out of accounts payable, why not do it in 2016? Why wait till 2017? Because that's when they found out about it, because Cohen was acting on his own.
So you'd go hard tomorrow. You'd get up there and start pointing, maybe try to get under Cohen's skin, call him a liar, prove he's a liar, and say, you said this. Didn't you mean this? Didn't you say this? And get him rattled.
Sure, and you said this yesterday, but didn't you 2 years ago say this? I would play the videos of him testifying before Congress or his other interviews where he's very compelling and you know, seemingly telling the truth about the former president. Similar to the testimony today, right? If you believe what he had to say today, he was compelling to you. Well, he's lied under oath, according to Cohen, and been just as compelling. This guy's a serial liar. So Todd Blanche is going to throw absolute haymakers. The state's going to rest this week, and I really believe that the defense deserves a directed verdict from Judge Merchan, but he's no profile in courage, and this could, you know, this would hurt the bottom line on his daughter's business anyway. So. Yeah. I still expect us to get to a jury verdict.
Oh, now I want to go tomorrow. Is it too late to swap me in? That'd be something.
That's up to you and Bill. Yeah.
We'll figure that one out. Thank you so much, Jay.
Thanks.
Click here to subscribe to the Fox News YouTube page to catch our hottest interviews and most compelling analysis. You won't get it anywhere else.